How you can earn money on YouTube with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one, as you can see, and this one too. So this is over 300k followers, and it's powered by AI. It's an AI influencers, and I mean it doesn't exist, and it's followed by real people. As you can see, has a lot of likes, comments. So you can create yours too, and then you can earn money with it. So dive into the world into of AI influencers or virtual personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and reckoning cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script, and a lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create one because here we have hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have the option to get started, and here we have a lot of options that you can click to get more information about the website and more understand how it works. Here we have use cases, product overviews, skill outreach, learning and development, features. We have here AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, also personalized videos, streaming avatar, Zapier, resources. So as you can see, there is a lot of things that you can read about and get information about it. If we scroll down over here, you'll find an AI character explaining our um, saying that script. As you can see, this is an AI character and it sounds real, so you can create yours too, and then you can start publish it on your YouTube channel. So as you can see, there is other AI characters explaining a specific topic, for example sales outreach, product marketing, content marketing, learning and development. So a lot of topics that you can choose, or you can choose other one and get started with another AI character. So as you can see here, we have a lot of AI character that you can choose one of them and then you can get started with. um to get started, as I mentioned, you can click on it and then you enter your email, your verification code, and you answer for a few questions. Then you can sign up and it will lead you to this home page. So this is the home page. As you can see, let's go to the home page. So this is the homepage that you will get. I already have recent creation because I already have account. If we scroll down over here, you'll find Hygiene Learning Guide. So it's kind of informations that you can get here to more understand how the AI Studio works, and the same thing for video avatar, AI voice, video translation. So there's a various one you can get information from here. And if we more scroll down over here, you'll find a lot of templates, so you can use this AI character to introduce your topic that you have on your template. For example, we have here mobile app, diversity, equity and inclusion, company weekly report, agency follow-up, promo video, business report. So this is a lot of various template that you can get. And if we more scroll down over here, you'll find avatars. So let's go to another AI character to choose one of them. So we will go to studio avatar. So you'll find a lot of AI character that can help you to choose yours. So there's a various AI character that you can choose here. As you can see, we have here a lot of AI characters. So for example, let's choose that one. As you can see, it's John in white shirt. So this is the name of the AI character and where he wears. So let's go to this three dot, that mean if you want to edit avatar, if you want to get avatar ID, this one if you want to create a video, so you can click on the landscape and then you can start a video on YouTube. As you can see here, we have a lot of options you can choose. So this is our AI character. You can put it on the left, on the right, on the middle, or you can determine the size of your AI. So it depends how you want it and how you want your video. It depends also on the topic. Here we have the animation, so you can edit effect on enter, edit effect on leave. For example, we have here fade, left, right, up, down, and if you want to make it on the leaf head, left, right, up, down, so the same thing. And there is other things that make your video more professional, so you can use it. Here we have the script, so you can delete that one and edit your script. If you want to edit another one, you can. And the same thing if you want to edit pause section between these two scripts. If you want to edit 3 seconds, maybe less, maybe more. And if you wanna add a recording, so you can click here to start. And also if you wanna upload audio, if you find some difficulties on scripting, you can just click over here on GPT scriptwriter and it will help you to create one. So you can go over here to translation, so you can select the language you want to translate and then you can click on apply. And also the voices, so you can select which type of voices you want: natural, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. And also languages, so you can select the language you want of your voice, and the gender too, if you want a male or female. My AI character that I choose is male, that means of course it will be male voice. And there we have the age, so you can select which one, if you want a child voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older voice, and the function too, so you can select which function you want and adjust the functions. And there's a lot of options that can help you to make your video more professional and get ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So if you finish editing, you can just click on submit and then you can download your video. So there's a lot of ways that you can start with your YouTube channel. For example, affiliate marketing through platforms like Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. By promoting products or services through affiliate partnership, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through their referral links. Or you can just create a video guide using an AI influencer. Can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. And just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So these two ways are just example to get start earning money. So until you get your YouTube channel monetized and AI influencer help you to get your YouTube channel monetized quickly. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.